This tutorial will walk you through how to access the error resolution on the web report. Go to the StudentClearinghouse.org website, and at the top right-hand side of the page, click the User Login link. After you've entered your username and password, then click on the Student Reporting tab. Click the Data Reporting Dashboard link. In the middle of the page, you'll see all of your school's current outstanding items that require action. Click on the box that says Enrollment Reporting, Error Resolution Report Outstanding. On your Error Resolution Report screen, you'll find a lot of important information, including your current outstanding errors and warnings that need to be resolved, as well as important information related to your file. First, at the top left side of the page is your Clearinghouse contact. This is the current analyst at the Clearinghouse who is assigned to your file. Should you have any questions related to your error report, you can email or call them for assistance. In the middle section of the screen is the current submission information. This is the information related to the current file, including the term and the submission type. It's very important to review this information before correcting your errors and warnings to ensure that your file is set up correctly within the Clearinghouse database. Below the submission information is the download button. If you want to save a copy of the errors and warnings on your current submission, you can download and save the report. However, you'll want to do this before correcting any of the errors and warnings, because once you've started correcting the records flagging errors below, they'll disappear from a new download of the error report. The Request to Reject Submission button. If you need to reject your file for any reason, you can click this button, and the analyst assigned to your file will receive the request and reject the file for you. But please do not click this Request to Reject if you need to just reject one student from the file. This button is when you need to reject the entire submission. And finally, at the bottom of the page, you'll find your outstanding errors and warnings to review. The errors are listed in red, and these records are required to be reviewed and corrected before you can submit your report back. And the warnings are listed in black. These are not required to be corrected, but we highly recommend that they be reviewed to ensure the data is accurate. Additional questions related to how to access your error resolution on the web report, please feel free to reach out to us at 703-742-4880, or you can email us at schoolops@studentclearinghouse.org.